Welcome to the Supreme Court podcast. Can you go to jail for possessing fake peso bills? This was discussed by the Supreme Court in the case of Gacasan versus People. In this case, an operation was conducted by the Criminal Investigation Detection Group, or the CIDG, in Bukidnon, Misamis Oriental. During the operation, Alan Gacasan offered to sell counterfeit bills to a confidential agent of the CIDG. The agent caught Gacasan in possession of 100 pieces of what appeared to be 1,000 peso bills and 25 pieces of what appeared to be 500 peso bills. These bills were later examined by the Currency Issue and Integrity Office of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, which confirmed that the bills were fake. The Regional Trial Court found Gacasan guilty of the crime of illegal possession and use of false treasury or banknotes under Article 168 of the Revised Penal Code. Gacasan then went to the Court of Appeals to challenge his conviction, but he was denied. He then went to the Supreme Court and prayed for his acquittal. However, the Supreme Court made the same ruling as the Regional Trial Court and the Court of Appeals. The Supreme Court found that all the elements of the crime were present in Gacasan's case. The first element of the crime is the existence of a fake banknote, such as a peso bill. The second element is the offender's knowledge that such banknote is fake. And the final element is the offender's use of the fake banknote or possession with intent to use the forged instrument. In the case of Gacasan, the court found that all of these three elements were established by the prosecution. First, the seized banknotes were confirmed to be fake by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Second, Gacasan knew that the bills were fake, as shown by his acceptance of the payment for the bills. And finally, Gacasan clearly intended to use the fake bills in his possession when he demanded payment from the agent in exchange for the fake bills. Gacasan was thus found guilty of the crime of illegal possession and use of false treasury or banknotes under Article 168 of the Revised Penal Code. For this crime, not only was Gacasan fined 10,000 pesos, he was also sentenced to jail for up to 10 years, 8 months, and 1 day. To read the full text of this case, you may visit the Supreme Court website and search for Gacasan versus People, GR number 261670.